Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, and this is a full guide. Okay, so you start up by opening up your Telegram and then come to the search bar, then search for Hamster Kombat, then open the Hamster Kombat official web. So this is the Hamster Kombat official web, and as you can see, I'm opening up my Hamster Kombat wallet or my Hamster Kombat account. So for those, I hope you all registered on Hamster Kombat, and if you've not yet registered, make sure that you register on Hamster Kombat. So for my case, when I open up my Hamster Kombat wallet, I receive 19.9k coins. So just click on thank you. So that is basically around 19,000 coins I received every time I log into my Hamster Kombat. Alright, so as the video said, this is how to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, but we shall be looking in deep with Hamster Kombat about the withdraw sections, about claiming, about inviting, and many other things on Hamster Kombat. So for this case, if you want to withdraw from Hamster Kombat, you click on the airdrop section here, okay? When you click on the airdrop section, make sure that your wallet is connected. So as for my case, as you can see, my wallet isn't yet connected. If I click on connect wallet over here, as you can see, mine is already connected, and to show me that your wallet is already connected. But for those who haven't yet connected your wallets, please make sure that you have the Tone Keeper application onto your phone. Okay, so if I come to my search bar over here, as you can see, I have the Tone Keeper application, and this is the wallet whereby the Hamster Kombat will be launched. Okay, this means if you're to withdraw Hamster Kombat from Telegram, you need to be having this Tone Keeper wallet. So guys, you have to note that the Tone Keeper wallet is somehow integrated with Telegram, and that's the reason as to why they have chosen it to be the official wallet from which Hamster Kombat will be received. As you can see, this is my official Telegram wallet, and this is my official Tone Keeper wallet, which is linked to Hamster Kombat. So if yours is not linked to Hamster Kombat, when you go back to Telegram like this, click on Connect Wallet. When you click on Connect Wallet, you see a variety of wallets that are in your phone. So for my case, I saw Hamster Kombat and I saw the Tone Keeper wallet here. So you click on the Tone Keeper wallet, and the moment you click on the Tone Keeper wallet, it will take you the Tone Keeper wallet over here. So here you just need to sign up and then input your PIN, and you'll be able to withdraw or connect your wallet onto Hamster Kombat. Alright, so for those who don't know the profit per hour, when you come to the exchange button here, this one is a profit per hour. So for the case of the profit per hour, it means in every hour, even if I close Hamster Kombat, I'll be gaining 26.26 thousand coins. So this means on this balance here, which is 8.1 million coins, okay, I'll be adding 26,000 coins in every hour. Even if I'm not mining like this, as you can see, if I'm mining with my hands, this is just mining manually. But this one is automatic profit per hour I'll be earning. Okay, so guys, leaving alone the profit per hour, let's look at the daily sci-fi. Okay, so this is the daily sci-fi, this one in the middle after daily reward. When you click on the daily sci-fi, this one means if you go on the official Hamster Telegram group, there are some daily sci-fi codes they put. And if you don't know how to use the daily sci-fi codes, they can be put in form of words. For example, they can put a word like some, okay? And they say, if you want to click or to write the word some, use this one as a code. When you click once like this, when you click once, it will be a 0. When you click and hold, it will be like a bar. I hope you're seeing it. If I click once like this, it's more like a dot, okay? If I click and hold, it's more like a bar, okay? I hope you're seeing the difference. Click and hold, it's a bar. Click and hold, it's a bar. Click once, it's a dot. So use this as the formula to write these daily sci-fi codes, okay? But as for today, there's no daily sci-fi code. But if there was a daily sci-fi code, I would show it to you. But this is basically what you use to write the daily sci-fi code. If you click and hold, you're writing a bar. If you click once, it's more like a dot. Okay, so mix them up to write the daily sci-fi code, and it will add for you 1 million coins on every daily sci-fi you make. So I'll close off the daily sci-fi, and I think you can see the difference. If you put on the daily sci-fi, this one turns into a red background. If you turn it off, it turns into a blue background. So guys, I hope you're seeing the difference now. They are two different things. Okay, so guys, moving ahead here, you can't currently withdraw Hamster Kombat. Why? Because this coin hasn't yet gone live, or the coin hasn't yet been launched. But as soon as this coin is launched, trust me guys, people are going to be making a lot of money. So what I would advise you to do is to come to friend zone here. When you come to friend zone, copy your referral link. Okay, when you copy your referral link, send it to your friends so that you can get more and more coins. As you can see, if you invite a friend and the person joins using your link, you'll be earning 5,000 coins per person you invite. Okay, now just imagine you invite like around let me use my calculator here. Just imagine you invite like 20 people to join Hamster Kombat. So 20 times 5,000, that is 100,000. So 100,000 plus again 8 million. That is some good money, guys. And guys, you have to note that the Hamster Kombat is soon launching. Within a few weeks, I think around 2 to 3 weeks, this Hamster Kombat will be launched. And of course, no one can know about the sources of its price. But according to some sources that I saw, guys, it is said that the Hamster Kombat will be launched at around $0.3. So if it is launched at $0.3, just imagine if I make like 10 million Hamster Kombats. Just multiply 0.3 times 10 million. That is around, let me see. That is around, okay. This one is 0.03, okay. 0.003. Okay, so this is around like $300 that you can make out of this mining process, okay? And this is just less for me. You find guys who have around 2 million, 5 million. So guys, I would advise you to keep on mining like this and also inviting your friends, as this will make you earn more. And if you want to earn more, you come to the earn section here, okay, and then do some daily tasks. You can join their Telegram group, you can watch their YouTube videos, okay, you can even follow them on X. And that alone, if you come to mine over here, okay, when you come to the mine section, you have some cards. If you buy these cards, they'll increase on your profit per hour. As you can see, this CEO card is at 207 coins, and if I buy it, sorry, it's at 1.2 coins, and if I buy this CEO card, it will add 2.07 coins onto my profit per hour. So let me show you how to buy it. Click on the CEO, then click on go ahead. When you click on go ahead, you would have bought it, and for my case, I bought it. And if I buy it and I go back to my exchange, remember my profit per hour was 26.26. Now it is 26.37. So this means these cards over here, okay, they help you earn more. So you can come and buy more of those cards. All right. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.